Hi guys! Welcome to my Thessaloniki vlog. We went to Thessaloniki to attend a wedding of my friend's colleague and as well to do a little sightseeing of Thessaloniki. From Corfu, Greece, we flew to Athens that took 1 hour flight and get our connecting flight from there to Thessaloniki which took another 1 hour. Our hotel is around 15 minutes drive from the airport, and the price of our hotel is around 70 euros per night for 2 person including breakfast. On our first day, we decided to go to the town which is around 20 to 30 minutes drive from our hotel. We went straight to eat our lunch first and then walk around and see some significant sights. Our next stop is the White Tower. This is the city's most iconic landmark which was built in 15th century. This is the Thessaloniki waterfront, a great place to stroll, especially at sunset. The waterfront stretches for several kilometers, dotted with sculptures, parks, and cafes.
Susundan lang natin yung website na nakita. Ito ba yan? Sabi mo parang
Parang supermarket.
Mother Nature.
And now let's walk around the streets of Thessaloniki. This is the popular street Dimitrios, where you can see some ruins which is part of the Roman Agora. Roman Agora is a central public space during Roman times. And at the end of this street, you can also see the Rotunda of Galerius, which was originally built as mausoleum for Roman Emperor Galerius, which later became a church, mosque, and now a museum. The Ark of Galerius. This Roman monument was built to celebrate Galerius' victory over the Persians. The detailed carvings depict scenes from his military campaign. This sculpture is the so-called the umbrellas created by the renowned Greek artist Zongoulopoulos. This is the Aristotelous Square, the main square of Thessaloniki, known for its impressive architecture and lively atmosphere.
Ladadika. The Bristol. The Bristol.
This is the Ladadika District, an area filled with restaurants, bars, and shops. It is one of the best spots to experience Thessaloniki's nightlife and local cuisine. Diaries Square in Thessaloniki is a charming spot known for its vibrant atmosphere and historical significance. This is an area where locals and visitors can relax, enjoy coffee, and people watch. The square is also surrounded by cafes, restaurants, and shops, making it a popular gathering place. After walking around the town, we went back to our hotel to prepare for the wedding that we are attending. It was a very nice wedding which I was grateful to witness. Overall, it was a fun experience to attend a Greek wedding and see lively celebrations, try delicious food, and experience a beautiful tradition. And now it's time to go back to London. Thessaloniki is now the third city I have visited in Greece. First was the Santorini, next was Corfu, and now Thessaloniki. I can say that these three are different in number of ways and has their own charm. Thessaloniki is Greece's largest city, rich in history and culture. Overall, this is a city that beautifully blends history, culture, and modern life, making it a fascinating destination to explore.